Hello, welcome back, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens, to another week of Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the specific syntax, commands, and arguments for different LSL commands for your quick reference. So, just this week, dealing with link messages, I'm going to go ahead and show the syntax and structure for both link message and message linked. Yes, those are different things. So, to actually do this properly, going to need two objects. I evidently forgot I had an object there. Easy to do when they're invisible. All right. So the first one, we're going to do a link message. I'm sorry, a message linked. The first variable you need to consider is you can decide where in a given link set it's going to go. This is done by link number. I have shown you before in my other videos how to get a specific link number if you need to. If you want to send it to everything, it's all caps, link set, and an underscore, link set. The second you get is you can send a numeric value. Integers process faster than strings. So if it's time sensitive and you don't need to have a whole lot of complicated information, you can send it with a simple digit. We'll make that a 4. The next thing you would have is your message. If you don't want to send a message, you can just leave that basically blank. The last thing is a key. So we're going to use detected key 0, just so I can show off what that does, because it wasn't relevant in the regular Coder Kitties workshop, so I'm going to show it here. All right, so that's sent to do that on a touch. Now we're going to go to the other object, where we only need a link message handler. Like with everything else, the handler has all the same arguments as the establishing command. So in this case, you can detect what link number the command came from. You can look at a specific digit. You can look at a specific message. And you can look at a key. I'm sorry, Lily, but I have to get this done. So, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to show, say, 0, received, integer. Lily, I cannot type looking through you. We had a good 3-hour snuggle session. Let me work. Since it's an integer, we're going to cast it as a string. Received integer Jan from link number, cast it as a string from sent on behalf of key to name who. So there you have it. Received integer 4 from link number 1, sent on behalf of me. Those are all the necessary arguments. A few examples of things you can do with them. Again, with this, if this were a larger link set, you could choose to send to any specific part of that link set by link number. You can choose to send either numeric, text data, or both, and you can choose whether or not to send a key. If you don't want to send a key, you just use no key. You have to have something there. No key is a good placeholder for not sending anything. Then when on the receiving end, you can respond differently based on, or you can set it to read what link number it came from and possibly choose to treat it differently based on that. You can interpret numeric data, text data, or a key. With that key, you can send, as I did, information on who's interacting with the object. You could send a textures key. You could send, anything that you would use a key for, you can send that. So that's it for this particular CoderKitty Decoded. Please check the link in the descriptions for, if you haven't already, for links to the playlists as well as to my Discord, for those of you that are newer here. So until then, good day, good week, good luck, happy coding.